Have you ever wondered what might happen if the sun, that glorious beacon of light and life, suddenly turned hostile? Well, as it happens, this isn't a purely hypothetical scenario. Today, we delve into a historical event, a solar storm of such magnitude that it left a lasting mark on the annals of science. Picture this. The year is 1859. The world is a much quieter place, devoid of smartphones, internet, or even electricity in most homes. It's the 1st of September, and British astronomer Richard Carrington is busy observing the sun. Suddenly, he spots a cluster of enormous bright spots appearing on the sun's surface. Little did he know that he was witnessing the birth of the most powerful solar storm in recorded history, an event that would later bear his name, the Carrington Event. The storm was triggered by an intense solar flare, a sudden and dramatic increase in the sun's brightness, followed by a coronal mass ejection, a large expulsion of plasma from the sun's outermost layer. This massive burst of solar radiation raced towards Earth, reaching our planet just 18 hours later. Earth's magnetosphere bore the brunt of this solar onslaught. But the effects were not just confined to the upper reaches of our atmosphere. The storm caused widespread disruption to the telegraph systems, the most advanced technology of the time. Telegraph wires sparked, machines malfunctioned, even catching fire in some instances. Yet, there was a more spectacular side to this celestial fury. The storm triggered auroras, natural light displays usually visible only near the polar regions, that were seen as far south as the Caribbean. Imagine a sky illuminated with ethereal lights, a sight to behold indeed. Fast forward to today, and one might wonder, could a Carrington-like event happen again? The answer, quite simply, is yes. Solar activity, including solar flares and coronal mass ejections, follows a roughly 11-year cycle. While events as extreme as the Carrington event are rare, they are not impossible. Predictions suggest the next peak of solar activity will occur around 2025, but whether it will produce a solar storm of Carrington-level intensity remains uncertain. The stakes are higher in our technologically advanced world. A solar storm of such magnitude could potentially knock out power grids, disrupt satellite communications, and wreak havoc on our digital infrastructure. Yet, we are not entirely at the mercy of our sun. Scientists continuously monitor solar activity using satellites and ground-based observatories. Efforts are also underway to improve our ability to forecast space weather events and enhance our preparedness to mitigate the potential impacts of severe solar storms. The Carrington event serves as a reminder of our sun's power and unpredictability. It underscores the importance of understanding solar activity and safeguarding our planet and technology against future solar storms. So the next time you bask in the warmth of the sun, spare a thought for the storm that once was and the storm that might yet be.